So Termux is an Android terminal emulator and a Linux environment app that works without any root or requires no setup. So a minimal base system is already installed with this Termux. You can use apt package manage to install rest of the applications. So the application allows you to work on SSH, as well as it has pre-built bash terminal, emacs, vim tools available. You could customize all these applications just like you do on Linux. So let's just get started and open the application. So you could run the basic apt-get update to update the packages. So let's just explore this first, and you could also try installing Python on this one, and for that we would be using pkg tool. Pkg install Python would install Python on the machine. So the application is installing Python from the repository. So just like you use a Linux terminal, you could try to install the stuff. So let's try and open the Python. So as you can see that the Python has been opened. So we could try print a hello world. Yes, it works. So I'm gonna exit from Python. Let's check some basic commands like cd/ would redirect to the root directory. Since this doesn't have a root permission inside my phone, this doesn't allow me to list out the stuff. So I'm gonna create a directory. Hello, let's try listing that directory. ls, I could move to hello. Let's see if I can create a file. Yes, I'm able to create a file. Let me try adding some content to the file. Let's see if sample allows. Let's try adding, let's try using nano. Seems like nano is working. Control X would give you the sample file. Okay, add sample. Yes, it works. So the exit command returns back to the Android. So you could use Git, you could use all the Windows tools.